Hey everyone, welcome back. The festive season is here and I would like to show you how to cook beef roast with mushroom gravy sauce. This will not take much of your time. The end result is beautifully tender roast beef. I know you're going to love it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we need. Let's season the meat. This is 1 kilo topside beef steak. Make sure the meat is at room temperature. Sprinkle generous amount of salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Massage the meat. Let the salt and pepper get into the meat. Turn the meat, again add some salt and pepper. Give the meat a nice massage, rub it all over the meat. Adding a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of ginger powder. Instead of powder, you can also use fresh ginger and garlic. Give it a nice rub. Adding 2 tablespoons of oil to a preheated pot. Going to place the meat in and sear it over medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. I'm going to do this on all sides so that the meat is nicely browned and all the spices are locked into the meat. Adding 2 cups of chicken stock. You may also use beef stock as well. 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Let it come to a boil. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and cook for 1.5 to 2 hours, depends on the meat. It's been cooking for 2 hours and it's beautifully done. We have some nice juice and smells incredible. Let's roast the meat. For that, use a heavy bottomed pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Place the cooked beef and roast this till it turns brown. And I'm going to do this on all sides. The beef is perfectly roasted. Let it sit for 10 minutes. While the beef is resting, I'm going to make the mushroom sauce. For that, in a pan, I'm adding a tablespoon of butter. To the butter, I'm adding 200 grams of chopped mushrooms. Saute this for a while. Half cup of green peas. Saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Push the veggies to one side of the pan. Add a tablespoon of butter. Wait for the butter to melt. Add a tablespoon of plain flour or corn flour. Fry this for 30 to 40 seconds or till the raw flavor goes away. Now add the beef stock little at a time. Mix this well without any lumps. Now the gravy is getting thick. Add some more stock. Let the veggies cook. This will take around 3 to 4 minutes. Add the remaining stock. Season it with some crushed black pepper. Some salt according to your taste. Give it a mix. Let it simmer for 3 minutes. Veggies are done. Finally, add a tablespoon of fresh cream. Give it a good mix. Delicious mushroom gravy is ready to be served. Meat is rested and our gravy is done. We are going to cut off a few slices. As you can see, the meat is tender, done perfectly. I have plated this up with some grilled potatoes and some mushroom gravy over the top. It's tender and flavorful, and the gravy is tangy and matches perfectly with the side dish. I hope you give it a try and share your feedback in the comment section below. If you like this video, consider subscribing, share and press the bell button to stay connected. Click on the left to check out my previous video. On the right, my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy baking!